My name is Nicolas Rivas, and I am a student of Una University. And I student system engineering. Today, I'm talking about of my homework. Uh, the topic is about my tourist destination. And I read a question, and answer is this. Well, the question number one: you spent much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? I spent a lot of money on me on my last trip because it was a plane trip and it was in another country. However, I think it was a fair amount. Well, question number two. What was the most expensive place you visit in your city? The most expensive place I visited in my city was Andres DC restaurant because it is an expensive restaurant, but it is classified as a place that you must know. Question number three. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I have visited in my city is Punto Burger. This is a fast food place that sells very cheap hot dogs. The question number four. Have you ever met a new friend during a trip? How did it happen? I have ever met someone during a trip. This happened when I traveled to Chile and studied in a hostel when we are sharing the kitchen. We started talking and we became great friends. And the last question is, have you ever been a backpacker? What is your opinion about this traveling style? I have ever a backpacker once. When I traveled to Chile, I think it's an excellent option since you meet many people and have many experiences. Well, today this is all and thanks. Bye.